Delays in setting up builds and packing parts into the build platform create an uncertain work schedule, leading to overtime, which can cost resource. Netfab's automatic packing function seeks to eliminate time-intensive manual packing processes and makes businesses more productive. This one-click solution can reduce lead times on builds by automatically packing build platforms quickly and efficiently. Efficient packing of parts is essential to maximize revenue from each build. Every extra part that could be fitted into a build could mean additional revenue and reduced costs. Netfab enables you to adjust packing parameters according to required density, speed, and other restrictions, so you can align your builds to the capabilities of your machine. Automatic packing may help you to achieve a higher return on investment. A high density of parts in a build improves the ratio between parts built and material wasted. Reducing material waste reduces costs for handling and also improves your carbon footprint.